Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, today I'll show you 4 methods to fix iTunes error 14. Method 1. Fix iTunes error 14 using made for Apple USB cable. If you are not use the original USB cable, it may cause the iTunes error, so follow the steps to check. 1. Connect other Apple devices with your computer and see if the error 14 notification pops up. If it occurs again, there is a probability that your cable is not designed for Apple devices. 2. Connect other Apple devices with other computers. If the error code 14 iTunes warning still shows up, then it is possible that your cable is not a made for Apple one. 3. Switch to a made for iDevices USB cable and see if the notification appears again. Method 2. Fix iTunes error 14 by updating iTunes to the latest version. Step 1. Open the iTunes and find the Help menu, where you can see the Check for Updates button. Step 2. Click the Check for Updates button, and iTunes will automatically check for later version. If there is a newer version, simply updating it and the error 14 of iTunes may disappear. Method 3. Fix iTunes error 14 with TunesKit iOS system recovery. If the previous 2 methods can't fix it, it's probably your device's issues. Then you can use the TunesKit iOS system recovery to fix it with the following steps. Step 1. Open and launch TunesKit on computer. With the help of a USB, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Start button. Step 2. Choose a repair mode. The standard mode is better, as it can keep the iPhone data intact. If done, click the Next button. Step 3. Download firmware package and repair. Before downloading, you can check the device info. Then, tap the Download button. If it is complete, tap the Repair button, and wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. Method 4. Look for Apple official support. If the above methods can fix it, you can ask Apple customer service for assistance. It is even better should you have the warranty, since you can go straight to the Apple Store and ask for a new replacement. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.